Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create Metatrader 4 account on forex.com. So let's just get started guys. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to be in this particular platform, which is forex.com website. Just to get here, what you do is just go to your web browser and just type forex or forex.com and then press enter. Then to this first link, go over here, and then what you need to do is, so here it will redirect you to this particular platform. This is forex.com website. So to create an account, so just go to account section, drop down menu, and here you'll see this account type. Over here just choose Metatrader account, as you want to have a Metatrader 4 account. So over here choose MT4 account, and then now you can choose this open an MT4 account. Just choose here, and now you have to show some information about you. So guys, please note that it's apply within 5 minutes, so you have just 5 minutes to do it. So firstly, you go with the country or region that you are in, and the email address, provide a valid one, username, password. So here password must contain these characters, or let's say these criteria. And then the title, if you are Mr. and Miss or anything, your first name, last name, and then date of birth, and then the primary phone number that you have, and just select save and continue. So I've already created one, so I'm not gonna create another one. So after this, you'll be in this number 2 section, which is about you. Then over here, what they will ask about your home address, let's say postal code, zip codes and all. And then after you do that, you will be in the 3rd section, which is trading experience. Over here they will ask you about your trading experience, what work have you done, what are you working at and all. And at the last you will be in the finished one, which you have completed, and your account will go for verification, and within 5 or 10 minutes your account will get verified guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.